Hey, it's Sabrina with Wildlife Exim, and I'm going to talk to you about the harp sponge. It is actually not very cool knowing that a sponge can hunt, but there are many carnivorous sponge species, and the harp sponge is one of them. The harp sponge lives in deep sea. They hang out at a depth of 10,879 feet to 11,152 feet. The sponge species was first discovered off the coast of California using a deep sea robot. The sponge is named as harp sponge because of its harp-like shape. The sponge is actually a grounded creature, grounded in the sense that they are fixed in a single place and don't really roam around. There is, again, a science term for this, and the word is sensile. Vertically protruding out from the veins are branches. These branches are what gives the sponge its typical harp-like shape. While the branches look very smooth, beautiful, and gentle, they are actually killers. The branches are covered by Velcro-like tiny hooks that do all the nasty stuff. The hooks on the branches snare prey as they drift past. The captured prey is immediately surrounded by the digestive membrane, and the harp sponge slowly starts digesting the prey. The harp sponge feasts on small fish. What makes the harp sponge so magnificently beautiful are the tiny white balls that are present on top of the branches. These tiny terminal globules actually play a very major role in the reproduction process of the sponge. The sponge releases the spermatophores in the water, which then flow along the water in the current. A nearly harp sponge captures the sperm in the egg development sites of the vertical branches, and when the egg fertilizes, the egg development site swells up. So those are just a little facts that you may or may not have known about them. I actually just discovered this animal today myself. You guys have a good day.